One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.